What's going on, everybody? So today we're starting pretty early at 10:50 in the afternoon. Early riser right here. Yep. So we got a couple things planned for today. We got some big mods, huge mods, if you know what I mean. Let's get started with that. Time to start this morning off right. Nothing like an easy morning stroll through the woods. Nice. Oh, come on! Now that that's over, let's head back to the house and start our project for the day. Huh. There seems to be a branch in the road. Reliable, and the Cadillac. Oh, come on. Got bird poop all over it. The exhaust tips look good though. If you want to see how I polish those up, click right here and check out that video. Now some of you might be asking, what's your big mod today? And oh, let me tell you, it's a doozy. Some might say it's the biggest mod that anybody does to your car. That's right. We are plasti dipping the emblems on this Honda Fit. Now this is my girlfriend's 2016 Honda Fit, and she just wanted to add a little pop of color to the emblems. As you can see, she already has a custom license plate frame, so you can probably say that this car is pretty heavily modified already. Now originally she wanted to paint the chrome pink, but I tried to convince her to paint the inlay, where it's black pink, as this is chrome, this is chrome. There's already a lot of chrome on her car, and I don't want to throw the colors off. So first things first, we're just gonna have to clean that thoroughly. All right. Should be good to go. Just kidding, I actually did use some.
You have to do multiple spray overs?
Coats? Yeah, no, we're done.
That looks bad.
Final coating is complete. Just have to wait for it to dry a little bit and then remove the tape. And once that's done, we'll cut the H out, and then it should just be a negative black space we'll be painted pink. And same thing with the front end. The final coat is on. Just have to wait for it to dry, and we'll take off all these magazines. And there we go. As you can see, we painted the black inserts instead of the chrome, and I think it came out looking really nice. It looks subtle enough, not too in your face. She's happy with it, and that's really all that matters. Let's go check out the back too. Look at that. Yeah, it came out much better than I expected it to. The edges are a little rough, but I mean, really you don't even notice it until you're right on top of it. From even 3 feet away, it still looks great. So there we go. First big mod on the little Honda Fit, and that's all for today. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos every Saturday morning. I hope you have a great day.